Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the hash function. As you know, hash function is the representation of the data through some hash keys, and now there are two things, keys and data. Now we have some keys to represent the data in a tabular form, and with a hash function that is called the hashing techniques. Now hash function, in the hash function, any function that can be used to map data of arbitrary size to fixed size through some hash functions. So we have to represent the data through some arbitrary keys to a fixed size of a table, that is called the hashing techniques. And the values are usually used to index a fixed size table is called a hash table. When we use a hash function to index a hash table, then this is called the hashing technique. So hashing technique is a technique to show the data through hash functions, and this shows the keys to the hash function, that is through the hash function in a tabular form. That table is called the hash table, and hash table is the arrayed data set in a tabular form. And as we know, this is the combination of key and data. So this is the figure for keys. This is the display board where we show keys, and here we use the hashing function, and with the use of this hashing function on that particular key, we have got some values, and this is shows the hash table values and the utilization of hash function. Now the another figure shows the representation of this hashing techniques with the use of a display board. Now suppose you have a display board, and in that display board you have keys from 1, 2, 3, K4, K5, K6. These are all keys. Some keys in a table or some keys outer area, that is K7, K8, K9, K10, and this is the total display board, shows the keys. With the values of these keys, we take a function that is called the hashing function, and this hashing function make a particular table in an arranged form, and this is called the hashing technique, through which we arrange the data through keys and hashing function in a particular tabular form. That is called the hashing technique. So the values are usually used to index a fixed size table called a hash table, and when we use a hash function to index a hash table, this is called the hashing techniques. Thank you very much.